Hey, good day, guys. Mark Hicks here. No, right now, guys. I'm gonna show you di na ata to matatawag na new unboxing since I already opened the unit. So I'm presenting to you guys new unit from Vivo, the Vivo V23 5G, which has yung variant ko napili, guys, is a 12 gig of RAM and a 256 gig of storage. So I have here, guys, the model is V2130 and the color of this one is, I can open this one up. So medyo ano yung isa, guys, open ko na ba? Wait, guys, ikot ko lang saglit. Okay, ito yung nasa box. Ito yung box niya. Okay, play. Okay, then open ka na. And then at first here, so since yun nga sabi ko, na-open ka na yung so makita you have here the phone itself. So ito yung phone. So what's inside the box, yung phone. And the next is, open ka lang. Wait. Here I have here the warranty card. Okay. So we have a jelly case. Okay. We have the charger. So VOOC charger, which has flash charge of 44 watts. Okay, 44 watts, so flash charge. And then I have here the yung cable niya for your, it is just a type C for the charger. Uy, may kasamang headphone. Okay, headset, I think. Okay, so yun. So ano to, guys, naka headphone jack. But as we can see yun sa specs, walang headphone no headphone ano ba yun, socket or jack for your for your headset, di ba? So paano kaya to, saan to ilalagay again? So ito yung pin niya, guys, for your SIM ejector. So heart style, pero actually it's not, parang peak. Ito. So you have here, okay. Ay, natanggal ko. Saglit. Okay, I will returning this one. Oh, natanggal ko nga. And then okay, here ito. So this is the one to make your headset work. So may pala, kasamang type C to your 3.5mm jack socket na. So ito pala yun. So may kasamang libre. Okay, so because usually some of the phones walang headset na yung kasamang iba. So that is usually the most part. Okay, so again, guys, I'm gonna return this one up. So go back. We'll go now to the unit itself. So this is the unit. I think guys, marami na ata sa inyo naka-review na sa YouTube. Dami na, not from YouTube. May for those who have advanced, may kakapera na, so bumili agad. So for myself, I just put this one. I selected the 12 gig RAM and then with a 256 gig of storage. So based on the unit itself, ito yun, guys, So I think I might not tell you overall the yung sa specification niya, because The details are already up there. Pwede nyo ma-search nyo sa any links. You can browse for the V23 5G. But for myself, ito yung nakita lang na yun. So, solid na solid siya, guys. So, parang magpakamalan mo siyang isang, yung sabi nilang sa iba, same as what I also seen right now. Parang iPhone, no? Wow. So, solid with glass front. So, actually guys, wala akong yung sinasabing UV ray para i-ano dito. So, pag natamaan raw to sa sa sun, I cannot see because I have not checked it yet. Mababago yung kulay pero it will go back to its original color. So, right now, my color I've selected for this phone is a sunshine gold. Okay, so if I switch on, naka-on na pala to. So, I switch on. So, ito guys, no, makikita natin. Okay, here. So, may notch na small up here. So, and then we have here the three, ano ba ito? We have here the three sensor, camera modules, 64 MPs. And then we have here the, I think this is, yun nga, sorry. Nakalimutan ko yung specs for yung sa ultra mode. Okay? So, yun nga guys, no? We have here the main snapper up there is a 64 MP. So, ito yun. And then, yun nga, may ultra wide, and then we have the macro. So, 2 MP ata yung macro. So, on the front, we have the, what could be? So, as advertised, a 50. So, dual siya guys. Dual camera on screen. So, it's a 50 MP of megapixel of your camera, this one. And I think the secondary telephoto for this one is maliit lang ata. Okay? So, we'll go back na guys, no? So, makikita naman yung sinasabi ko sa link mismo. So, we'll go to the screenshot. So, super vibrant siya. And then guys, no, is I will check to the settings, okay? Para makikita natin kung totoo ba talaga na si Vivo ay updated ba. So, as you can see guys, si Vivo is already Android 12. So, it's run by FunTouch 12, so OS. And then, so as you can see guys, no, it is already been up there. Parang so yan guys, no. Ay, sorry. Ito guys, okay. So naka 256 gig niya storage, and we have here the what's this one? So the Android 12, then we have here the processor is, I think this is a new one from the Dimensity, 2.5 gigahertz, Dimensity 920 octa-core. The RAM is 12 gig plus expandable of 4 gig of RAM. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 gig of RAM. So ang laki, no? Does it really work if if I want to game something like that? Pero depende din guys, no, sa so anong purpose nyo sa phone. For myself, guys, for everyday use, yes, di naman masyado nag-vlog everyday. So importante din sa akin. I have also my phone last time. I have a V15 Pro. It's so solid until now. It's very, very solid. As I said, wow. So, I think guys, that is a short review lang, no? Just to see, to let you know that ito na yung guys, no? Yung V23 5G. So, that will be all for now guys. Thank you. Bye.